to Gibbie to give her update. The first item under my update is about the status of our stay-at-home proclamation. As you know, we extended ours on April 16th. We extended our proclamation till April 29th, but we put a provision in there which said that we would extend automatically if the governor extended, but we would keep the same restrictions in place that we had. And that was the agreement that we reached between the county, the city, and the 6 towns. And we've been having some additional conversations as a group. And today, the group came to an agreement that we felt at this time, based on the data that we have here in Mecklenburg County, that we want to rescind our current order or our proclamation and align to what the governor's order has in it. And so that means a few things. There will be several things that would allow to operate now in the county under the governor's order that we did not permit under our order. So, for example, I can give you sort of a feel for that. Car dealerships, vape shops, realtors. We had some restrictions on funerals that were more restrictive than what was in the governor's order. We had some more restrictions on lawn care than what was in the governor's order. We did not permit craft, hobby stores, furniture, and mattress stores to operate. They would be able to operate under the governor's order. We did not permit any sports courts to operate that allowed shared equipment, which is why we did not permit tennis. So under the governor's order, we would now permit tennis with guidance that we've received from the U.S. Tennis Association. And then beyond that, once the governor issued his order, the Department of Revenue is issuing a number of letters that were allowing exceptions to the governor's order or deeming them essential. Those would include auto body shops, dog groomers, housekeeping services, and carpet cleaners. And so those under the governor's order are now permitted. And when we rescind our order, those would be permitted because they would be permitted under the governor's order. The other thing that we talked about was this whole notion of drive-up retail or curbside retail that would allow retail stores to operate for curbside or retail, curbside or pickup only, so that people could call in or order online and then they could go to the store and actually pick it up. So in our case, things like sporting goods stores and other things that were not permissible under our order would be able to operate under this new method when we move to the governor's order. And so again, that is a consensus that we reached between the city, the county, and the 6 towns today. I'm happy to take questions about that. Tyrone is actually drafting a revised proclamation that will again need to be signed by the county commission chair, the mayor of the city of Charlotte, and the mayors of the 6 towns. But again, we think that the data